Friends, as a reminder for today, we are not going to have a live teacher lesson. You're going to watch the video to practice writing your capital W and lowercase w. Then you can click to the next slide and listen to a song all about the letter W and the sound W, W, W. When you are done, click to the next slide and we're going to look at what words begin with W. So we have window, log, worm, whale, watermelon, ant. So remember, W is going to say w, w, w. Our words again are window, log, worm, whale, watermelon, ant. You're going to drag over the 4 words that begin with W. Remember, first, do your capital W and lowercase w writing in your Rockin' My ABC journal. We'll see you back soon.